Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with Yvette's box. Now, first off,
Kathy's box from Yvette, right? I mean,
yeah. So, Yvette has I want to call it a club that you can join, and it's called Piecing It Real. I always get the wording wrong. I do not know why, but I do.
Well, he didn't get it wrong this time, but of course it's right there on the box. All you had to do was read it off of the box.
Anyway, if you would like to join it because you do not know how to paper piece, or you're new at paper piecing and you want to learn, then go over and join. I'll put the information below, or probably I'll put on the screen right here. And it's a monthly, and she does start out at the very beginning teaching you paper piecing as if you don't know anything. It's all the things you need to make it and the whole thing. And the good thing is that in her boxes, she gives a little bit more fabric, so in case you have a mistake. But she also shows you how to do it so that you're not wasting your fabric. Because a lot of times when you do paper piecing and somebody's teaching you online, you're getting a great big huge piece of fabric over the paper. You're not cutting it down so that you're not wasting it. Now she'll keep you from wasting all of your fabric and everything. So that's the good thing about hers. And then as the process goes along, you learn more and more and more, and then you can learn more difficult ways to paper piece. She also has Zoom with the paper piecing so that you can do a project. You can sign up for that also. But anyway, let's get started opening this box. And this is the Halloween edition. Alrighty, here we go. I don't want to be bumping that. Alright, let me just show it to you. I don't want to drop anything. There we go. That's what it came like. So let's just. Oops,
and you bumped it anyway.
I know. As soon as I did it, I bumped it. I was like, oh no, I bumped it. Okay, let's just. There we go.
Bravely than me, I wouldn't have done that.
All right.
I thought maybe you wanted to take this out of that, and I'll move the box.
Okay.
Excuse me.
There we go. There we go. All right. Okay. So first you get your paper here, and it tells you what is inside. And she wants to thank everybody for supporting her.
I saw something already.
So the value of the box is $125. I'm going to bend this so that they can see. Right there. Okay, there we go. That tells you everything that's in the box. There's the top half of the paper. I think that little character girl, she's cute. All right, that's it. One piece of paper. I know, but still it's cute. All righty, here we go. So first off, we have, and let's go ahead and take it out of the package because of the glare with the lights. Well, maybe I can't take it out. There we go. So we have a rotary cutter blade. Okay. And then we have, and I recognize this thread, I can tell you right now, this is glow in the dark.
Well, it is
because
Halloween.
I actually have, and this is the color yellow. I think I have a
glow
green.
in the dark.
Yep.
Actually,
Sim thread, glow in the dark
Sim
thread.
thread, glow in the dark. And it's yellow.
Yellow.
Can you see that?
Oh,
It's
why
like it's
that
glowing
glare
over there.
is so bad. Yeah, it doesn't make any difference what you do with it. That glare, that light is just...
Oh, sorry.
Put the overhead light on, would you?
Sure.
I wish we had a remote for the overhead light.
No, I don't want to knock anything else over.
Okay. And then we can turn that one off, and then maybe the glow won't be so... Yeah. You flip that off?
Sure.
I don't know if... I never heard of sim thread, so I'm not quite sure what that is.
Try it now.
A little bit better, but still it's got a horrible glare.
Put your hand
Okay.
behind it like, you know,
Yeah,
YouTubers.
but the light's not coming from the back.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Can anybody see? Alrighty then. Oh, what is this?
I know, I saw that first.
Oh,
I saw it
my
first.
God.
I saw it first.
Oh, it's pumpkin spice marshmallow rice treat.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
It's pumpkin spice.
Oh God, and you know all that pumpkin spice has come out now. I love the coffee from Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh, so good. Oh, and the pumpkin.
Oh, what is it?
Pumpkin spice.
Oh, that's the new
Cold
drink.
foam, cold brew. Oh wow, it is so good. From Dunkin' Donuts,
yeah.
yes.
Now,
And before that, I liked the Charlie cold foam, cold brewed one that they were talking about. And I always get a extra cream and extra sugar because I have a horrible sweet tooth. But oh my gosh, that coffee is so good.
now see, I wouldn't ever do that because
You don't like iced coffee. You only like
no. But I meant
coffee.
But you were talking about extra
Extra
and
cream,
sugar.
extra sugar.
Okay. So when I get a hot pumpkin spice, it's a coffee. I don't do the cold thing. But I don't even get the sugar in it because the cream has so much sugar in it to me, because I've gotten even like my tolerance for sugar has, like, I wouldn't say it peaked, but it's like I can taste sugar so much more than I could before. Used to be I would have extra sugar, extra cream. But I mean, now I can't do that anymore. So now it's just, I just ask them to put the cream in it.
Well, thank heavens
is
my
so
taste buds
delicious.
have not got to that level yet. I still like my creamy sugar in my coffee.
But this looks delicious. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's going to take us quite a bit to eat that because all that sugar that's in there.
Me? That's a snack.
You.
That's a snack.
Now, that looks like it's half the marshmallow thing at the bottom. That actually looks like a sponge, doesn't it? I don't think I'll be dipping it in anything. Okay,
No,
so let's get on with the fabric because this is
spongy.
beautiful fabric.
Excuse
Oh my
me.
gosh, look at this.
Excuse
Okay,
me.
so let's spread that out a little bit so we can take a look at it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's very pretty colors. They're all
okay.
very bright.
So first I looked at it and I thought circles. But now I'm looking at it as skulls. So it's not circles. But they're not those, what's the skulls called? The sugar skulls or something? They're called sugar something skulls. But these are not a heavy dramatic. See how they look like they could be circles? I mean, that's what I thought it was to start out with. They look like circles. It makes you think of little spots. But when you get
Think of
closer,
that song.
you can see them.
Something skeletons in your closet. I don't know. I watch TikTok and
Okay,
there's
so
Halloween stuff.
So what's the fabric from?
And that
Does anybody
song's in
know?
the
Because
background.
I'm horrible about who the
What are you
fabric came
asking?
from. Like, what is
Well,
it
where
from?
does it say? AGF.
That's
Feel the
Art Gallery,
difference.
Art Gallery fabrics.
There you go.
But I don't think this is Art Gallery fabrics. The black is Art Gallery fabrics.
Okay.
But I don't think I don't know, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's all Art Gallery. It's beautiful together, isn't it? Look at that black on there. Look how pretty that looks. Look at that. Oh, it just brings out all those colors, y'all. Just beautiful. We don't even have the pattern yet to look at it. Let's look at the pattern, shall we?
Well, I was trying to find where the fabric
I don't
comes
think
from.
it says
It
anything
did-
on there.
I mean, I don't know. What are you talking about? Where's the pattern? Is this the pattern here?
No, that's templates.
Is this banner?
Trick or sweet. This
This
is
is
the candy. So this is all the patterns.
Trick or Sweet FPP banner, 21 by 46 inches. Skill level intermediate. Yvette's Creations. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you go ahead and try to open that, and I'll
No,
try
I'll
to
just,
open this.
Just cut a little bit here.
She's using scissors to cut it.
That's my paper scissors, so that's okay. I'm not gonna ruin them. I promise. Oh, hey, that's some. What kind of? I was just gonna say. So Yvette, you might as well tell us, what are you using for your templates?
Ooh, nice.
It feels like my what do I buy for templates? I've already forgotten the name of it. It's oh my gosh, and I just ordered some too. I cannot for the life of me think of what it's called. It's the good stuff. That's what it is.
That's probably what that is. On the
I
bottom
want
right,
you-
it says the good
Look how teeny weeny that is right there. Oh my gosh. That's like by the time you've got your seam sewn. Oh my gosh. And that tells you it identifies it as the top left candy. This is wonderful. All the templates are in here and everything. Oh my gosh.
Excuse me.
That is great. Okay, let's see what the picture looks like.
Oh, the
It's a
book?
table runner.
Yeah, I said that.
Oh, look at that. The cats.
Well, it says FPP banner. I don't know what that meant, though. F.
Uh-huh.
fun paper piecing, fast paper piecing, fantastic paper piecing. What's the F stand for?
There you go. I like all your F words. Fun, fantastic,
Fun, fantastic,
fabulous.
fabulous. I don't know. Fast.
Fast. Now that I got over my laughing. Go ahead, tell what it really means. Don't hide your face. Go ahead.
Well, the next word I said was fabric.
That's
But
close.
it's foundation paper piecing.
There you go. For all of those that are out there going, foundation, Sherry, it's foundation, Sherry, it's... It doesn't make any
I can
difference.
only learn 1 or 2 new things a day, okay? This is my second thing I've learned new today, okay?
Oh gosh, you're so
See?
wonderful.
Brain. Swoosh.
Oh goodness gracious. So this is a foundation paper piece banner. Of course, now not only for a banner, but you can use it as
a table runner.
Yeah, table runner. And then it shows you in here. It has the, there's the, so that you want to go ahead and do it again. You can do your own with your. I mean, if you don't like this kind of paper that she's using, you can use what's the lady's name that's famous for all of her paper? Is it Doan? But I cannot think of her first name.
Jenny Doan?
No.
Then it's not Doan. Definitely have to cut that out.
It is. I'm not cutting anything else. I just can't think of her
Just
name
plug
right
somebody
now.
else.
I just can't think. It's the very first one. You want? We can look in the drawer over there and find out what it is because I've got some of the paper. Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun.
Yeah,
Carol.
Carol.
You said Jenny, hon.
Oh, that's true, because you said Doan, and if it's not
Right.
Jenny Doan,
It's
not.
Carol. Carol's what's coming to my mind.
Where am I looking?
Bottom drawer to the right-hand side.
one?
Yes. See, that's how I did my paper piecing at the very beginning using Carol's paper. And it makes me think of, what do you call it? Recycled paper. That's what it makes me think of, not that one. That's the stuff I just got. That's what this is. That's what Yvette's paper feels like. Not that.
You know what? This
I
is
know.
not my drawer.
I was just gonna say. You know, she's not used to digging through my sewing drawers. It's on that right hand. So that's it.
Carol
No.
Doak.
Oh, wrong person altogether.
D-O-A-K.
Oh yeah, it is. All right, bring it over here. We'll show it. So we were totally wrong. I don't know where I got
No,
Doan
not
at.
we, because I
know.
did not know at all.
I know, but I don't know where I got Doan. Okay, so this
Jenny
is.
Doan, Missouri Star Quilt Company.
All right, so
or
you can
something.
see this comes. Now hers is it's 8.5 by 11, and this was 100 sheets, and this reminds me of recycled paper. Isn't that what that looks like to you? Because it's a light, sort of a tan.
You know what it reminds me of? No, it's not recycled paper. It reminds me of the coloring book paper that children's coloring books are made out of. Because it's not white, it's not brown. It's like a very thin construction paper. But like when you go to Target or Walmart and you get a coloring book now, it's made out of that paper. And it's like,
Ah.
that's what that reminds me of. Coloring book
Okay.
paper.
And so if you guys got this, and that's what you want to use, that's fine. I mean, you can use anything you want. If you're used to using typing paper, and you buy, and you know, and typing paper is a lot heavier than this stuff is. Okay?
Yeah.
And that's what you're used to, and that's what you want, by all means, use it. Don't think that because this came in the package, you have to use it. You can make copies using your own. It's just that she has managed to give us this time around. I'm going to use hers because I like it when somebody gives it to me already made. And 9 times out of 10, when I get a pattern, I'll turn around and I will make copies of the templates just like that she's got. I'll make copies so that I've got it set aside, because who knows that down the road I might look at that and go, oh my gosh, I might want to make that for my sister, or I might want to make that for somebody else, a friend, or maybe I just want to make it and give it away. Who knows? So I always make a duplicate copy just for myself. Doesn't have to, nobody else has to do that kind of stuff. That's just me doing it. But anyway, so I'm looking forward to this. This is really nice. Those are cute little cats. Look at the way that's curved and everything. That is so cute. And the candy almost looks like a little bow tie. It could be a little boy kitty cat with a bow tie. And I want to thank Yvette, and I'm sorry about all the mess ups, Yvette. Jeez. That's what happens when we do it. I mean, I feel like sometimes I'm live, and I'm not live. But
You could
anyway.
be. If you wanted to be, you could be.
Oh my gosh. Alrighty. Anywho, so thank you, Yvette. I'll put all of Yvette's information down along here. And we'll see you next time. And thank you very much for watching. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, here we go. Here's everything in the box from Yvette. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Yvette. I can't thank you enough. You are so creative, young lady. And there's that glow in the dark, you know. All you gotta do is have that exposed to light, and then in the dark it glows. I did a child's blanket with that one time. That was really, really nice looking. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.